Hi, it's Gaylin. Today I'm here with Unity Stamp Company. I'm one of their design team members, and I'm going to show a vintage card today with vintage papers, a vintage image, and vintage letters. I love it. It's a different style for me, but I like playing with this. It is one of these stamp kits is called a SMAK kit. It's September 2019 SMAK kit called Be Very Merry. I also have tiled letters, and I'm also showing Rustic Winter Wishes pattern paper. That's a paper pack by Unity. I use color box ink in Sweet Tooth along with a foam blender. I cut and stamped each of the letters out individually. And I cut them out because I want to place them in different areas. So you have the whole alphabet to choose from with these letters. I stamped them on craft color ink, and now I'm adding to each of the panels, each of the letter panels, the edges are inked up with the Sweet Tooth ink. I just wanted more of a vintage feel for the letters. I just wanted them a little less perfect. And the paper is very vintage already, but I added some white ink to the edges of that as well. And I trimmed that panel to fit on the card base, on the card front. Now for this image, it's a sketchy image, very vintage, sketchy looking. So I added various colors of Copic markers. The exact colors will be listed on my blog eventually, but I just lay out on the craft mat some of the ones I want to try for the image. So this girl, I just layered, light to dark and then back again to light again with color. I decided to keep her very neutral colors, very minimal coloring. I decided to keep it more skin tone and beige colors. I did use a little green and red accents for the holly leaves. And so just to speed up the coloring a little on this. So after I colored her in, I decided that she would fit better on this panel along with the letters if I did cut her out. So I did some fussy cutting, and I just cut her out so that I could add some foam tape to her to have her pop up a little bit off the page. And so she's going to be placed on that front panel along with the letters. That's going to be eventually a holiday sentiment. So after I fussy cut her, I actually added a bit of tan outline around her because I didn't want the white to show up so much with all the vintage looks. So I trimmed her to fit the card front. I adhered all of the letters and the paper panel with clear double-sided tape, and I placed the letters where I think I might want them to be and to see if she fits on there with the letters. So I trimmed her down a little bit so that she would fit, and I placed her, and then I added a tiny bit of Tombow mono glue to each of the letters to place it so that you could see her nicely. I hope you like this vintage style card today. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to like and follow me. Have a great day.